Hey guys, thanks for watching. In this short video, I'll show you how to build a garden bed in a few simple steps. First step is to measure out your lumber to the dimensions you want your garden bed to be. I'm building a box that's 10 feet by 3.5 feet. Now I'm measuring out the posts. Installing posts is not always necessary, but it does provide additional support to the structure. Make sure to use screws that are made for the outdoors. In my case, I'm using deck screws. Once I've screwed in the two adjoining lumber, I add in my post and screw that in as well. At times, you may have to move the garden bed into your ideal location after it has been partially or fully assembled. Last but not least, you fill it in with soil. Thanks for watching. I'll post an updated video of our garden bed in a few weeks. Please like and subscribe for more DIY videos.